Dust in the Kikuyu language is rokogo. Rokogo. If you want to say it is dusty, we say kwena rokogo. Kwena rokogo. And you can always say kwena rokogo roige. Kwena rokogo roige. If you want to say the house is dusty, nyoba ena rokogo. Nyoba ena rokogo. If you wanted to say outside is dusty, ja kwena rokogo. Ja kwena rokogo. So rokogo is dust. And by the way, there's a phrase that he was shown dust. Do you know that phrase that people use a lot? Like, I was shown dust on that day. In the Kikuyu language, we say, donire rokogo. That is, I was shown dust. If it's someone else, she was or he was shown dust, onirio rokogo. Nireke guire. Donirio rokogo muthenya ucio. Yeah, so I was shown dust on that day.